The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kenville County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plainfield, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Rockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Lisle, Mokina, Frankfort, and Lemont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 252 and 273. Interstate 57 near mile marker 346. Interstate 80 between mile markers 127 and 149. Interstate 88 between mile markers 117 and 129. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flood advisory.